Well, hello, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I'm hoping to post this one this afternoon because this is like the prequel to me being on ArtAPalooza tonight. Okay, what it is I'm going to be doing some alcohol inks and doing snowflakes, but I want to. It takes a few hours for it to dry, so I got to do it now. So I'm going to do this part, explain what I'm doing. And then you're going to have to come to the Artist Haven tonight at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'll put the link in the description, and I'll try to put a iCard up there so y'all can come to this tonight. Okay, I'm doing snowflakes, and I'm doing a couple shades of blue for the background. This is just plain 91% alcohol. There's not a lot you have to do right now for it to dry. I'm using, let me see if it'll focus. Nope. Okay, B39 Prussian Blue, which is from Copic. Well, let me keep it out in case I need to put any more down. This one is Cerulean Blue by Blick Studio. They're just as good as the Copics. It's 041 Cerulean Blue. I'm doing a couple of shades of blue, which is going to give me some of the white too. I'll leave the cap off of that too, in case I want to add some more. And then after I get my ink down, I will show you how I get the snowflakes. So in case you're wondering, that's what these little cookie cutters are for. I've seen people do it with round shapes, and I have tried a few of them with other shapes, but I bought a whole bunch of these little snowflakes cookie cutters. Now I'm trying my hardest not to get it all dark, but unfortunately it looks like the Prussian blue is gonna take over. Okay, let me push it around a little bit. This is my Conair hair dryer. I'm trying to make sure, there we go. Conair hair dryer. I'm just gonna use it on the low setting just to blow it around a little bit to get some good coverage. Okay. And of course it all looks one shade now because the Prussian blue has mixed with everything and taken over. Okay, I need a little bit of more alcohol over here because that's already dry. And I'm doing two of these. I'm going to embellish this one later tonight on the ArtAPalooza, but I'm also going to do another one like this, but of course I won't be able to finish that tonight because it's got to dry. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. Now, this is a cookie cutter. This is the part you're supposed to touch. I'm going to let it dry like that, and I am going to put a weight on top, but you don't need to blow the air. Okay, and I'm going to put a big one right here too. And I wanted to put a little one down here. I always put the part that you're touching, that That's supposed to be to protect your hand from the metal. I always put that down because that gives me a bigger line. Okay, those are holding it. I don't have to dry it all now. I'm just trying to move a little bit of this around so it doesn't all pool up in places. I may have to tonight, I may have to use those inks to embellish a little bit. Now this is on low, but I don't think it's that, let me see. No, it's not that cool, so it is drying stuff. And you can, after you've got your little shapes down and weighted down with glasses, these are just, you know, I don't even know what they are, what they're used for. They're just heavy enough to weight it down. I don't think I need any more. I'm going to leave it the way it is. So join me tonight over on the Artist Haven channel for her ArtAPalooza. Bunch of artists, we just get together and we art. And because she's having an auction later this month, the Saturday after Thanksgiving, for another charity, and she wants us to do winter themes, so Snowflakes to me is winter themes. So I'm putting the caps back on these. So join me tonight to see A, how it dried, and B, how I embellish it. And you guys have a great day, and I hope to see you tonight. So I love the fluid arts right out of you guys. Very, very short video, I know, but this is going to take forever to dry. I don't know, I might leave it running and do a time lapse at the end. I think that would be cool. So I will just let it sit, and I'll stop the regular speed at this point, and the rest of it will be all the time lapse. So see you tonight. Don't forget, I put an iCard up there, and don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe, and you can also become a member by clicking the join button, and you get perks. And I got some other perks I'm going to come up with that I think all the members I have so far are going to enjoy. So see you guys tonight, and I'm going to let this time lapse.